places like Germany, interestingly, aren't working today, despite the data being correct. But the signal worked. See how I did that? Let's do Europe quick. It's Monday, Macro Tourist Monday, and everyone on Twitter has an opinion on France. The economy, short the stock market. Now it's up like almost 1% in your face this morning. Don't do that, all right? I didn't tell you to short France on Monday. What I did actually Monday, ironically enough, was cover some Germany. I covered some more yesterday on red, and today it's up despite the German data being weaker. Now, this is interesting because if the German data is what we thought it was, now the street, you can see my tweet on this, is saying, oh, it's lower than expected. Not lower than Hedgeye expected. It was in our top 3 themes, and Germany rarely is. Okay? Industrial production growth actually slowed 4.3% month over month. That's a big slowdown in Germany. So what the market's saying, and why Germany on the stock market side may not be as good of a short as the euro on the currency side, is that could equate, a German slowdown could equate to what? Cowbell. Oh yeah, you don't just buy stocks on fundamentals and flows. Cowbell and flows? So there you go. Be careful with that. I'm down to 1. I covered all my Poland yesterday. I'm down to 1 short, despite being as fundamentally bearish as I could be. You see how we do that? You can have a view fundamentally that is not the same position, again, when you think about it quantimentally, which is, again, taking the signal as your leader and your light. The humility that you need to have to go with that over whatever's in your head fundamentally. I get it. Pickles and I just went, we're 2 Yale grads. We just were able to add 2 to 19 and get to 21, right? We're freaking smart, like amazing, right? But we're still humble enough to not go with what we think should happen and go what is happening. Amazing. It's an amazing thing to watch. It happens in every other aspect of your life if you're really paying attention.